Hi, I'm Gail with Shake and Grow. Today we are very excited to announce that our product Shake and Grow will be being carried at Sperbeck's Nursery in Yuba City. This is a family-owned nursery. They have new owners, Steve and Lisa. They're really nice. You're going to want to come out and meet them. Let me give you a tour. Come on in. This is the gift shop, and there's indoor plants in here, plants of all kinds, little fountain. Very calm signs. In here there are local products of all kinds, the lotions and plants and some Shake and Grow. So you can pick up your Shake and Grow in the gift shop. As you enter the gate from the street, you will find there's some bushes here, perennials, annuals, trees that are pine trees. This is the blue sequoia. They're very healthy. Pots, a very nice selection of pots. There is indoor, outdoor potting soil, soil builders, conditioners, annual flowers, vegetables for the vegetable gardeners. There's a lot of fun things like birdhouses and wind chimes, wind spinning things, yard art. Got a great selection of that. Some local paintings. In the back there's succulents. Succulents are real popular right now. And when I said that there's pots, there are little pots and big pots. So if you need a pot, this is definitely the place to come and stop by and get it. Garden arches, there's some arches, trellises for your yard. This area of the nursery, there are a lot of nice selections of roses, some patio furniture, fruit trees. They have really nice roses, a real nice selection. There's an iceberg rose. I bet when these roses are blooming, there's roses of every color here. The Floribunda, that is probably my favorite. It's got beautiful color. There's little cubbies and little areas that they have, alcoves, where they have it set up with different plants. So you'll want to bring a friend, your family, and just explore this great nursery. Birdhouses. This is their chemical room. It's a little building in the nursery, and they have garden tools and gloves, different fertilizers and hose and garden tools, brooms, everything you need for a gardener or your yard. This is the place to go. A seed spreader, hummingbird feeders, watering cans, and they also have Shake and Grow, a Shake and Grow display in here, so you can come in, pick up your literature in both the chemical room and the gift shop. Here is a nice selection of wind chimes, large and small, really big. This is a cashier station, and they have mushrooms and bees and owls and frogs. We hope you've enjoyed the garden tour, and come out, meet Lisa and Steve at Sperbeck's, and We'll be here for some special events that they're going to have. You will want to check their website too. We're going to link their website onto ours so that you'll be able to keep up with their latest activities. And thank you so much for spending time with us. Bye.